Okay, here's our big giant tree. That's the bottom of the tree that just came down. It's a big pine. There's our branches fallen, and as you can hear, that's the wind. We parked Jean's car perpendicular as mine is in the garage. And it is pretty fierce out here. We've been without power since 2:30, so it's been about 3 hours. I have a feeling that we're not getting any power back anytime soon. We're just waving to our neighbor right there through his window as we're watching the tree that came down. For some strange reason, our pumpkins haven't blown away, but it knocked down a tree. So there you go, Hurricane Sandy, October 29, 2012. Signing off.